Hey, this is Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are going to be installing these WeatherTech FloorLiner HP mats into our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Our Ram 1500 came with factory mats, but today we're going to be installing these guys in there just to get a little extra added protection out of them, and nice little threshold area here. Super simple install. You're going to come into the truck here and pop up these buttons just by pushing them down. There's two of them. And pull the old mat out. Take our new WeatherTech mat. I'm gonna slide it right into place. Look at that, fits great. And push the buttons onto the posts. You gotta line them up. There we go. All done. Now we can go to the driver's side. All right, so just like the passenger side, we're gonna pop these out, put in the new one. I love these WeatherTech liners. They make your truck or van look super clean. Really easy to just pull out when you're ready to clean them off, hose them off. Set this down. In fact, they make your truck look so clean when you install them. I make my kids take off their shoes just to get into the truck now. All right, so you're just gonna line them up on a post, pop them down, good to go. All right, that's the driver's side. All right, so these are the WeatherTech FloorLiner HPs for our Ram 1500. To find products like this for your work truck and to keep you efficient in the field, check out upfitsupply.com. I'm Johnny, have a good one.